Is your industrial washing machine receiving the professional maintenance? The regular inspection are key to ensuring the stable operation and the long-lasting operation for the industrial washing machine. Focus on industrial washing machine operation and maintenance, starting with the scientific inspections. This video will introduce the daily maintenance and operation guide for the Kingstar 40 and 120 kilograms industrial washer. First of all, we need to check the door compliance every day. Check if the nuts securing the door are tightened. Inspect the clamp and door seal for any deformation. Check for any stains on the seal. Test whether the door lock operates smoothly and if the handle is flexible. Finally, close the door and check its tightness. Please help me. The inner drum components need to be checked every day. First, ensure the drum is clean, bright, and free of metal objects or debris. Make sure there are no foreign objects in the drum gap. After starting the operation program, check for any water leakage in the outer cylinder. Finally, confirm that the inner drum is rotating normally. Next, let us check the pipe components. What items we need to check every day? Check for any dripping or leakage in the pipelines. Ensure the angle seat valve is functioning properly. About the drainage system, we need to check the following points. Check for any dripping or leakage in the drainage pipes. Ensure the drainage cylinder operates smoothly. After closing the drainage valve, make sure there is no water leakage. Let's move on. Check the air circuit components. Ensure the solenoid valve operates normally. Check all air tubes for aging or air leakage. Next, checking the dosing system. Performing these comprehensive inspections for the industrial washing machine can ensure the long-lasting and stable operation for the industrial washer. Next, I'll explain all the inspection points for the monthly, quarterly, and annual inspection. We also have the full inspection form. If you need, you can contact us. Bye-bye.